Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're shining the spotlight on 3 contractor businesses that are absolutely smashing it on YouTube, and we're going to teach you how you can do the same. If you're new here, hi, I'm Kurt from One Base Media, and I'm here to help you get more leads for your trades business using online marketing. So if you don't want to miss any videos, join our community and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified. Now, before we reveal our favorite 3, let's start by going into why they are doing so well and the benefits of running these types of channels. Getting your home improvement business on YouTube can offer several benefits, contributing to your business growth and success. Benefit 1, they offer a visual showcase of your work.
Yeah, looks great.
First of all, YouTube is a visual platform, making it an ideal place to showcase before and after videos of your home improvement projects. This allows potential customers to see the quality of your work and get a better understanding of your capabilities and expertise. Benefit 2, better engagement with your audience. YouTube allows for direct interaction with your audience through comments, likes, and shares. Engaging with viewers helps build a community around your brand and provides an opportunity to address questions or concerns. Benefit 3, you will increase your company's visibility and reach.
Digital, global.
YouTube is one of the largest search engines globally, so creating content that ranks highly for frequently searched key search phrases will improve your business's visibility, reaching a huge audience. This can lead to increased brand awareness and new clients. And finally, add revenue potential. Once your channel gains popularity, you may have the opportunity to earn revenue through YouTube's partner program. Now, while this might not be the primary reason to start a business channel, it can provide an additional income stream. Once you get over 1,000 subscribers and over 4,000 watch hours of your content from the last 12 months of your channel running, you can monetize the channel and earn an income from YouTube. So here are 3 channels that are in the home service or construction space that are doing brilliantly on YouTube. First up, we have RR Buildings. Now, they have over 1.5 million subscribers. They've uploaded over 750 videos, and you can see from the app that we use how many views per hour some of these videos are getting. Some of them get hundreds of views every hour. The channel has over 800 million views. So with the average payout from YouTube being around $6 to $8 per 1,000 views, this channel is making a nice amount from ad revenue. They also have links through to their website where they sell building plans and what looks like affiliate links to where you can buy tools and workwear on other websites. Now, if you want to run a similar channel, you can take a look through the content and see what's working for them. You can see they have videos about metal door installation. That one's got over 33,000 views, and one for building a mezzanine floor for a shop that's got over 230,000 views. So you can see what's working on their channel, the style of their videos, and without copying them, you can draw inspiration and build your own channel. Also, if you go to the most popular videos and look at the top viewed ones, you can see this top video has over 6.4 million views. The next one, 4.5 million views. If you click through to some of them, you'll see there are time-lapse videos of the building projects they're working on. Now you can see how valuable this kind of content is. So next time you're doing a project, set up some cameras and get filming. If you work in a niche like kitchens, bathrooms, or barn conversions, film the content and upload it, and then get it optimized for YouTube. Put a link to your website, and this is a great way to generate leads for your business. Next up, we have Skill Builder. The channel has over 120 million views. The link goes to their website, and that's regularly updated with news from the construction industry, and they are uploading consistently to YouTube multiple times a week. I chose this channel because it's full of how-to guides, and this is something that any construction or home service business can do. Let's look at some of their videos. This one here, what to do if the conservatory is too cold, 23,000 views. How to stop damp coming through your walls, over 60,000 views. This type of content can be implemented by either a conservatory roof installer or damp proofing company. If you consistently build content that is answering questions that your target audience has, you will rank on YouTube, get a ton of views, and people will see you as an authority.
How to pick up a duck. Step 1. Find a duck.
This increases the likelihood of them making an inquiry into your business. So if we look at the most popular videos, you can see some of them are years old and still getting hundreds of views an hour, proving that you can get lasting returns from this endeavor. The thing is with this kind of content that answers questions for your audience is that if it's good content, it's relevant for years and will rank well and continue to generate you leads for your business well into the future. So the last channel we're going to look at is a channel that is directly using this platform to advertise their landscaping services, and this is Tussey Landscaping. They have 17,000 subscribers, over 500 videos, and the channel has generated over 3 million views. You can see the link is going directly to their website where people can inquire about their landscaping services. This channel has a great mix of how-to videos and before and afters of their work. And this is a great way to build your company up as an authority in the industry. People can see the quality of your work, and also they get to see you and your staff when you're posting these kind of videos. Just one of their videos about building a retaining wall has got almost 1 million views. This really is a great way to get millions of potential customers seeing your company and inquiring about your services. So that's it. There you have 3 channels that are doing very well on YouTube. Thank you for watching until the end. I hope you got a lot out of the video. So our goal here is to help you generate the best quality leads so you can fill out your diary with more customers and grow your business. And that's it from me. And by the way, if lead generation is a problem for you right now, then there's a link in the description of this video that will help you solve that problem in under 3 minutes. I want to say a big thank you again for watching this video. If you want to see more like this, please do like and subscribe, and also leave a comment in the comments section. We read and respond to all the comments we get. Have a great day. I'll see you on the next one.